Hey, what's up, guys? I am El Indio de Laredo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you a very special bin, a very special box that I keep for emergency purposes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Okay, guys, so please keep in mind that I am not a professional. This is just something I keep for emergencies. I have been using this for camping. Okay, so let's start. First of all, this is a 14-gallon bin. It's for emergencies, according to me. Okay, so this is what I have. I have this tarp. Okay, this is a very useful tarp. You can use it for anything. You can use it for shelter, especially for rain, against the sun, anything. Okay. I also have some waters. Try to keep it light. Get some waters in there. Okay. Try and keep it low. Not too many water. Now I have some cleansing wipes. These are extra large. They're actually used for as an alternative for a shower. So cleansing wipes, they're 48. They're extra large wipes. So look out for them. Really good and useful. Let's not forget a little bit of aluminum foil here. It's not a necessity, but I love to carry it around. This is an inflatable bed. I've used it as a pillow for everybody, and everybody loves it. It's an inflatable bed, and it's actually for a single person, but it's real useful. Okay, right over here I have some electronics. Wherever there's light, you can go ahead and connect them. I have some extension cords there. I have these portable lights. They're really bright. More extension cords. I have the Christmas lights. These are very useful wherever you have power. Or if you have a generator, just connect them and you'll have light. Okay. Over here, we have batteries. Tons of batteries. They're for $1 each. They're really good. They don't last long, but they're really good. I have some emergency ponchos here. I have some reflective aluminum paper. This is good. This is really good. Over here we have a little bit of toilet. We have some after sun gel. Some the scrunchies. That's how they used to call it. We have some placards there. Got some mousse. Let's not forget the off for the family. You don't want no mosquitoes bothering you wherever you go. And in case there's no water or minimal water, we have Fast Orange. This is really good. This cleans your hand thoroughly. Really good. We have some medicated patch for your legs, for your arms, for any body part. And we have some sunscreen, of course. Can't go wrong with sunscreen. Over here we have, I have, these are actually dry. I have them dried. All you have to do is just add a little bit of water, and they're good as new. According to me, okay? So let's not forget the toilet paper. We need some TP everywhere we go. I just like to keep 2, so that's good enough. Okay, over here we have something to protect our phones against water. I have some zip ties. I have some yarn there, some glue, some paracord. I have some clothespins. This is really useful. Let's start with the good stuff. Oil. Let's not forget about oil. I've been meaning to put this in a smaller container, but since I haven't found it, it's still here. I use this to start a fire. I just soak it up. I just soak up some either toilet paper or some paper towels, and they're really good as a fuel source to start a fire. You cannot go wrong with fishing. Fish hooks have these. Just get a line, attach them, you're good for fishing. And for like any prepper does, have some candles, some lights, so you can have some light other than the Christmas lights. I got my matches and I got my lighter. Really good, really useful. I have myself a portable, really small stove. I have 2 of these. These last very, very long if you know how to use them. They're here. I have this as an alternative fuel source. Propane. Just attach a small heater and good to go. And for the coffee, the morning coffee, of course. Can never go wrong with coffee. You need to start your day with some coffee. And these are a treasure. So get yourself some of these. More aluminum. Got some hooks, just in case you want to use them inside the vehicle where we're at. I bought some hammers. I got a regular hammer, a mallet. Mallet's really good. And let's not forget these to cook anywhere you go. They're really good. And you want to gather up your wood, handsaw. Really good. Just get them small branches. Start out a quick fire. That's it, guys. That's my survival goodies for emergencies. They're really good. I've used it for camping, and hopefully you guys can make it useful. And also, if you guys want me to add more stuff that I can fit in there, or maybe substitute something into this small 14-gallon bin, by all means, I would really, really love to know. Thank you, guys. Laters. El Indio de Laredo out.